Hello, good evening, friends. This is Shiva here, and in this video, we like to discuss about SAP S/4HANA simplifications, right? In case of, say, for example, the functionality, and then one mapping per requirement. Actually, we have the credit management in ECC. We have the credit management functionalities available in the different modules, and also in SAP S4 HANA we have that functionality. So now S4 HANA is a single point of contact for the credit management, right? Release and simplification of system landscape and merging the industry functions. Many of the functions can be simplified, and the simplification of data structure, simplification of user interfaces, and then simplified analysis. Okay, and so that is what I'm saying. I like to discuss about the simplifications when comparing with the legacy ECC system, right? Actually, now S4 HANA is a real-time ERP suite that can perform the digital core of a business. Okay, and SAP S4 HANA is completely based on SAP HANA, an in-memory platform, and provide SAP Fiori as an initiative role-based user interface that is structured on advanced design principles. Okay, two deployment options are available for SAP S/4HANA, that is on-premise and SAP S/4HANA and cloud. So the business process is integrated with SAP S/4HANA and discuss how SAP S/4HANA can support various business departments in mastering the digital challenging. We detailed actually we can see in detail on the coming days. This, so this is about to summarize what extent the basic design of S4 HANA meets the requirement of digital transformation. Okay, the aim of SAP S4 HANA is to help enterprise address the challenges resulting from the digital transformation. So SAP S4 HANA enables customers to map a new digital business model in addition to the traditional business models. Okay, whatever they are existing, on top of that, actually we are going to introduce SAP S/4HANA as a creamy functionality to bring all the digitalization. Okay, so that is what actually SAP S/4HANA enables customer to map the new digital business models in addition to the traditional business models. Okay, SAP S/4HANA is SAP's answer to increasing complexity of digital world. SAP S/4HANA simplifies the functions, data structure, user experience, and analysis to meet the requirements for benefiting from interoperability to the Internet of Things or big data. Now let's move on to the simplification of the functionality. Okay, one of the characteristics of ERP software, right, is that the functionality grows over the years. So new business trends are often integrated into the latest versions of an ERP software. Initially provided mappings of business require. Actually, the initial provided mappings of business requirements are supplemented and extended, and new applications are launched. Okay. However, in the real time, this natural and useful software growth often produces multiple functions for identical or similar requirements. In addition, technological trends and different programming languages make their way into ERP software versions. This business and technical variety leads to the complexity. For example, different technologies generate different requirement for maintenance. Okay, so that is different technological process. Redundantly mapped business requirements make promoting innovations that are difficult, right? If identical functions are provided in various areas, new business trends need to be integrated into all the different areas. Finally, the functionality or the functional redundancy has a negative effect for all the customers because the development of resource of the software provider are required at various areas and are not available for other tasks, which de-accelerate the innovation innovation cycle of the functions provided. With a SAP S/4HANA, SAP is committed to the principle of one, which means that in SAP S/4HANA, a business requirement is mapped only on one target architecture. Okay, so that's what I told, one mapping per requirement. As an example of the principle of one in action, in S/4HANA, it is a credit management function. In SAP ERP, two credit management types have emerged over the last years. On the one hand, SAP Credit and Risk Portfolio Management, and on the other hand, the advanced version, right? SAP Credit Management, which was introduced to SAP ERP at the later stage. Okay, I hope actually you persons can understand, right? The credit and risk portfolio in SD BF CM, that module, and financial, that is financial FIN FSCM credit. So we have both in SD and FSCM. We have this credit management release, right? So these are two functionalities for the same requirement. So we need to make it one, make it that mapping as a one. That is what mapping as a one. We need to remove that SD related credit management functionality, which was removed and included in the FSCM, I think, which was introduced to the SAP ERP at the later stage, right? The advanced SAP credit management version, which provides a wealth of functions, enables you to, for example, to integrate external credit information providers, because SAP Credit Management is SAP's preferred target architecture for credit management. Only SAP Credit Management is integrated as a function into SAP S/4HANA. Further innovations will also only take into account account this function. So simplification of system landscape. Another example of the principle of one is a simplification of existing system landscape, right? In the 2000s, best of breed was a trend in the software development sector and would signify that the best possible solution was provided for each application area. Due to this trend, separate solutions were developed for some application areas and operated in a separate systems, which then had to be integrated with the enterprise ERP systems, right? SAP also followed this approach by developing separate planning, sales, and purchasing systems. Not all of these functions that are provided in these separate solutions are also available in the SAP ERP. SAP S/4HANA provides some of these previously outsourced applications areas. Thus, migrating to SAP S/4HANA additionally offers the ability to consolidate linked business process into one system and thus simplify the system landscape and save the IT cost. Okay, so say production planning, detailed scheduling, and purchasing functions, right? An example would be production planning and detailed scheduling, right? PP bar DS, right? This function enables you to generate proposals for in-house production or external procurement to cover the product requirement. In past, PP/DS has been provided within SAP Advanced Planning and Optimization, that is SAP APO. SAP APO is an independent solution that can be integrated and operated with SAP ERP. As of SAP S/4HANA 1610, customers can also use the integrated product planning and detailed scheduling functions in SAP S/4HANA. Another example is the context in the mapping of purchasing functions from SAP Supplier Relationship Management, that is SRM, in SAP S/4HANA, or in the cloud-based SAP Ariba solutions. Okay, integrated warehouse management function in SAP S/4HANA can supersede with warehouse management system that previously run in parallel. When migrating SAP S/4HANA, you should evaluate the options for simplifying your system landscape and how you can benefit from these simplifications. Okay, You can also optimize your landscape after migrating to SAP S/4HANA because the existing integration scenarios are usually available with other on-premise solutions, right? If you want to know more, so you can refer your SAP note 2376061, right? In SAP S/4HANA in 1610 functionality, right? Process integration with SAP on-premise solutions. So please refer SAP note 2376061 or 2376061. Okay. A third example of this principle of one is that previously industry specifications that operated independently are merged into SAP S/4HANA. For example, SAP S/4HANA 1610 provides functions from small retail and from SAP discrete industries and mill products DIMP. Okay, so SAP S/4HANA is well suited for based on the different industries process and process orchestration. Okay, in addition to the examples mentioned, future SAP S/4HANA releases are supposed to integrate further industry solutions that can currently only be operated separately. The benefits from simplifying the functionalities, however, also have consequences that customers should be aware of when migrating to SAP S/4HANA. Customers using credit and risk management, that is SDBFCM, must know that this function is not available in SAP S/4HANA. Okay, that is in SD, right? And that migrating to the new SAP credit management, that is financial FSCM CR, right? So that is a main thing in SAP S/4HANA. Okay, SD credit management is not available now. So these are the simplifications, right? So the credit management available in earlier ECC versions is not available in SAP S/4HANA. We are usually using the credit management functionality, advanced credit management functionality in FSCM. So, say for example, SAP S/4HANA shared industry solutions must have industry-specific functions. In core applications, we have accounting, procurement, human resource, logistics, industry-specific functions. Okay, and in that SAP for retail, the DIMP, that is discrete, that is a discrete in the mill products, right? DIMP. So and then basis, we have kernel basis, user interfaces, and SAP HANA database. Everything, all these applications, that is industry specific functions, core applications, basis, all lying over the SAP HANA database. And industry core functions, that is SAP for insurance, SAP for utilities, that is IS specific, right? Those are built on that. So the we need to check the availability of solutions, right? Before migrating to SAP S/4HANA, you should check whether the solutions you are available or you are ready to opt that are available in SAP S/4HANA, or whether you might have to migrate to a new solution. So you can refer the SAP publication, that is SAP published documents on simplifications and innovations on each version. So starting from 1511 1610, we have currently with 1909 and everything, and even latest versions also they have introduced that simplifications and innovations. Please refer that while before implementing your solutions. So, friends, actually now I like to discuss about the simplification of data structure. In 2011, SAP introduced the new SAP S/4HANA in-memory databases, which supplements the technical framework of traditional databases. Previously, the data was mainly stored on a hard disk due to the limited capacity of memory. Now that is a limitation is no longer valid. You can use other programming methods for applications that run on in-memory database, right? The databases. SAP S/4HANA leverages this new the new options and optimizes business applications in such a way that potential of SAP S/4HANA database is fully exploited. For example, the table structure for the data storage is optimized. The table in different applications areas of SAP S/4HANA were modified in such a way that aggregates in tables can be omitted. Okay, thanks to the to increased access speed of in-memory databases, data no longer needs to be stored redundantly, which was necessary before for the performance reasons. Okay, for more technical details on how the SAP S/4HANA database allows for these optimizations of data models, right? At this point, you might ask yourself, what are the benefits of the simplified, that is technical data structure is for the customers? We will use two examples to demonstrate the benefits. One example from inventory management and one example from accounting. Okay. So, the current material stock is rather complex both from business perspective and from the technical perspective. In addition to the physical inventory, we must also consider the planned goods receipts and issues at any given time. In SAP ERP software architecture, this process was based on traditional databases. Consequently, the inventory management tables contain aggregates to optimize the performance for the determination of the current material stock. So to avoid data deviations, the material stock has to be logged when a new goods receipt or issue has been posted. Parallel goods receipts and issues have to wait until the other process is completed. With the SAP HANA inventory management functions, the SAP HANA in-memory database enables you to write the goods receipts and issues of a material directly to a larger material stock table without having to form aggregates, right? So, aggregates, that is mad dog, right? Because goods receipts and issues now directly update the stock information. The delay from the logs, which were previously necessary, is minimized. As a result, a simplified data structure in inventory management also supports a higher data throughput. So simplification in accounting. The technical conditions of traditional databases in SAP ERP led to a software architecture that distributes the data across the various tables and structures and consequently also stores data redundantly. This redundancy is a problem for programs used to conduct financial closings because they will have to consolidate this data content. This process involves reconciliation task that makes difficult and time consuming to map line items. The SAP HANA enables you to create centralize this previously distributed informations in SAP S4 HANA in so-called universal journal and thus simplify the process. Okay, the SAP S4 HANA provides a central database table that is ACT DOCA also consolidates all the line items data. As a result, external accounting and internal accounting are always reconciled, which ensures that reconciliation or real-time integration between SAP Financials FI and controlling CO, as well as the between the general ledger accounting, right, FIGL, right, and asset accounting FIA are no longer required. Reports from all the components are based on the data from the same documents. This consolidation of data in one database allows for the shorter closing cycles. You can also create a reports and analyze any time during the posting periods. And we must mention that benefits was described from the simplified data structure also have effects that you should be aware of when migrating to SAP S/4HANA. Customers that convert their SAP ERP system to SAP S/4HANA on-premise have to check their existing customer-specific program codes. If your custom codes refers to the data structures and SAP entities that change in SAP S/4HANA, you might have to carry out adaptations during the migration. So-called compatibility views were provided that maintain read access to obsolete SAP ERP data structures. However, If data is returned to data structures that are no longer available in a SAP S4HANA, you have to adapt the code. Okay, and before doing the migration, we need to check the reference of SAP data structures. Before migrating to SAP S4HANA, check whether your custom developments refer to SAP ERP databases that were modified for SAP S4HANA. Okay, this is very important check. So we have new tables, all the 27 tables related to the inventory management in ECC were clubbed together to form a single table called MATDOC, and in accounting we have ACT DOCA, right? Actually, so all the earlier ECC versions of tables are simplified. So these two tables, MATDOC and ACT DOCA, are very important. And now let's considering about the simplification in user interface. Okay, with a new user experience UX with SAP Fiori, SAP meets the requirement of digital transformations for advanced user interfaces. SAP Fiori is an initiative user interface that has been developed according to the advanced design principles available on all end devices, mobile devices, desktop, tablets, etc. SAP Fiori allows for the role-based user experiences that can be compared to the user experience of customer apps, right? So, which address the technical and functional difference between SAP Fiori and SAP GUI and the operating concept behind the new interfaces. SAP's new way of thinking about the user interface design has already been recognized with awards. Okay, who would have thought that possible when thinking the traditional SAP ER interface? SAP Fiori 2.0, which is based on SAP S/4HANA, won the many awards in 2015. According to the World SAP Implementation Federation, the next generation business software Fiori is a is a next generation business software concept that takes a personalization, personas, responsive and simple user experience to the next level. Another excellent example of SAP UX strategy is the SAP Consumer Insight 365 app, okay, which again won the Red Dot Award in 2016 and User Experience Award in 2014. And SAP Consumer Insight 365 is a data service that provides users with holistic and precise insights into customers' behavior at a physical locations. The app allows you to know, for example, the demographic characteristics of visitors to store or at an interesting location. This information is based on nearly a real-time mobile data and indicates consumer backgrounds, including their age, their gender, and what mobile devices they use, etc. So it's an example of modern SAP user interface. Okay, so SAP Consumer Insight 365, and you can find the list of available SAP Fiori apps in the SAP Fiori app reference library, right? So we have the portal for the reference library. So you can, by choosing the Fiori apps for S4 HANA, you can display the SAP Fiori apps that are available for SAP S4 HANA. Okay. So we have the website. I will definitely share that website's details. Okay. And custom Fiori applications officially released SAP Fiori apps additionally enables enterprise or SAP partners to develop the custom SAP UI 5 based Fiori applications using the SAP Web IDE. Okay, and the browser based on this browser is based on Toolkit, can be found on SAP Cloud for platforms and includes an integrated development environments. These options for developing customer user interfaces is extremely important for SAP customers. In today's SAP Business Suite, about 50% of the interfaces that are used by SAP customers are custom developments. Okay, and so additional information, you can find further information for redesigning SAP UX Fiori using SAP Fiori, right? That is, you can see that in https colon double forward slash www.sap.com slash product dash slash Fiori dot html. Okay, for more information on SAP Fiori 2.0, please navigate to https colon double forward slash experience.skp.com slash forward slash skill up forward slash SAP Fiori SAP hyphen Fiori hyphen 2 hyphen 0 hyphen the D hyphen ideal hyphen overview slash. You can use a SAP Fiori Apps reference library using HTTP colon for double forward slash Fiori Apps library dot hana dot on demand dot com slash SAP slash fix slash internal viewer. Okay. So this is about the actually simplicity in Fiori apps. Actually, you can use it Fiori apps for we every say for example in a you can take for creation, change of PO or edit of PO or display of PO, release everything we have now the functionality can be converted as an app. So you can check the Fiori apps library. So whatever I have given, right? So based on that, you can check the exact applications or apps available for each functionality. So now let's move on to the simplified analysis in the all about SAP HANA simplifications. Okay. So in an increasingly complex world, yeah. So we require increasingly more detailed information for your decisions making process. Providing precise analytical data has always been challenging and has become more and more important in the last 2 years. For example, 85% of participants in analytics, right, that work deploying self-service and data visualization for faster decisions. Okay, so you can check that in http colon double forward slash hpr.org.march 2016. It's a Harvard Business Review study mentioned that the increasing relevance of the analytical data as a basis for the decision. More participants, that is 90% of the total, right, thought that analytical data will be more relevant in the next 2 years. The community using analytical data has also changed. Previously, strategic departments were the main users, but today operational departments increasingly have to justify their decisions with analytical data. So this is about relevance and user community of analytical data. Okay, I said there is a thought on the operational as well as analytical community. Consequently, the number of users of analytical data is keep on increasing and going to be increased, which also affects how this data is collected and made available. Traditionally, the IT departments of the interface was responsible for collecting the data, and the data was usually provided in custom reports. If these reports did not exist, they were requested. For custom reports, SAP Fiori or for the custom reports, SAP Business Suite, which is ABAP based reports, was ideal. Okay, but these reports are actually not fast, not user friendly, and not available to all user groups. To meet the increasing requirements, advanced analytical tools need to be enabled, and end users without ideas, without specific IT knowledge, they can able to create a new analysis. New visualizations have to be optimized, and the complex data and data structures were to be presented in the simple format. Okay. Another concern is how the data is supposed to be analyzed if distributed across the multiple sources. Today, reports are often based on the data that is distributed across the ABAP reports, Excel files, or embedded business warehouses (BW). Creating a report that can entirely a time-consuming process of generating the analysis and standardizing the complicated visualizations of the results. Okay, that is for the distribution of data. And now SAP HANA Embedded Analytics. Okay, so we need to have a look on that. The analytical functionality provided by SAP S4HANA is referred to SAP S4HANA Embedded Analytics. This function enable users not just experts for the analytical data evaluations, but any user. Okay, not just for the experts, but all for all the users to create and carry out the real-time analysis based on SAP S4HANA application data. Standard reports and analytical SAP Fiori apps are also delivered with SAP S4HANA. Okay, the analytical data can be displayed via the new SAP Fiori Launchpad. So, which is based on Fiori technology. Okay, so important information, you can find more information and examples of analytics under http colon double forward slash experience.sap.com forward slash skill up slash sap hyphen Fiori hyphen 2 hyphen 0 hyphen a hyphen Premier hyphen on hyphen embedded hyphen analytics. Okay, or in the SAP Fiori apps